Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare iodine solution for starch test easy guide. Measure 1, 27 grams of potassium iodide and 0. 5 grams of iodine crystals on an analytical balance. Dissolve the solids in 100 milliliters of distilled water with gentle stirring until fully clear. Store the concentrate in a labeled amber bottle away from direct light and heat to preserve activity for testing. Collect all materials on a clean surface and organize them for a smooth workflow. Pour 100 milliliters of distilled water into a beaker and add potassium iodide first to aid iodine solubility. Slowly add the iodine crystals while stirring until the solution turns clear and light brown. Transfer the solution to an amber bottle and label it with concentration and date for safe storage and future starch tests. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more useful lab tips and easy guides. Quick recommendation: bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the link in the description for details and similar products you might enjoy during your work breaks. I find them handy for packed lunches between experiments and cleanup. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Begin by dissolving potassium iodide completely in the measured distilled water to create a clear solution. Add iodine crystals gradually while stirring to form the iodine-potassium iodide complex and avoid undissolved particles. Once the solution shows a consistent light brown color, check clarity and filter if necessary through filter paper into a clean amber bottle. Seal, label clearly with concentration and date, and store in a cool, dark place until needed for the starch test.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.